How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is just going to be kind of some leftover footage from last week whenever I took my car to the shop. Obviously, you know, I've been kind of dealing with these clutch issues, and I took it to the guy that works in my car, and he couldn't seem to have the issue pop up whenever he was driving it. And I've also let my dad drive it in the past, and he couldn't ever find the issue either. So this is some leftover footage from whenever I went that way. And then I came back here and I decided to go ahead and let my dad try to drive it again, just because the car is really heated up, and I figured maybe he'll be able to hear it the second time. He used to have a Fox body in like a Turbo Super Sport, if you've seen that stuff on the channel before. So he does know a little bit about cars. And finally, it did actually happen on him, and everybody doesn't think I'm just crazy and it's just only whenever I'm driving it. And I keep telling people about it and they try to drive it and nothing happens. So this is just some of the footage that I filmed while we were driving. He doesn't really do anything crazy in it, but I figured I'd go ahead and make it into a video, just kind of diagnosing it a little bit more. And because it does happen at one point in the video, so maybe you would be able to tell me if you can understand what it is. A lot of people say it's a throwout bearing. Even my mechanic said he wouldn't waste the money, and that's me paying him to do something, and he was saying he wouldn't even waste the money trying to do a throwout bearing on it because he don't think that's what the issue is either. But I guess with all that being said, let's go and hop into the video. I just feel like it's something whenever it's like really heated up. Like if I like really beat on it, then that's whenever I'll notice stuff. Here. Put it in first, put it in first. Feel it? See? Okay, finally.
But it didn't do it but for a second.
I know. And that's as much as it does. But I don't know why it's like that, because I only hear it for that long. But like drivability, everything's fine.
Stupid shit though.
Alright, so I don't know if this is actually going to make it in a video or not, but let me just say how good this car looks at night. I'm just out here trying to get some pictures and stuff for the gram. And dude, like this silver being all shined up and everything under the right lighting at night is just so good. Makes me wish this car looked like this good in the day. I don't know why it doesn't. I mean, come on. Alright, so I guess that's pretty much all I'm going to have for you guys today. Let's see if we can hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That's one of my big goals. I know Mustang Week, I'll probably gain a lot of attention as long as I can actually make it down there. The way this car's been, it's been giving me a lot of issues. So I don't know if I'll be taking this exactly or not yet. But just like every year, it wouldn't be Mustang Week if something didn't break in the car. But I appreciate you guys stopping in and checking out another video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment down below what you thought about this video, maybe some ideas you want to see in the future. And make sure to subscribe as well. And I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one.